fucking meanest burnout I've ever done.
That was serious.
The tires started bubbling. I wouldn't have stopped. The whole ABS system shut down.
Anybody want some of that?
Yeah. Oh my God. Look at the other side. Go to the other side. They got some hair on it. Well, we all know what that means, right? It's very obvious. We need bigger turbos. It's pretty much all that means right there. Holy shit. Look at the state of that thing right there. Holy shit. I've never seen a tire look like that before. We got these 19Ts right here from VIB Turbos. Now, these are very controversial turbos, I will say. I see these all around the forums because these are the cheapest turbos you can possibly get, but they make about 700 horsepower, according to On The Line. They are pretty much stock looking turbos with bigger spinny boys, so there's more. And the other side, it's all bigger, and bigger is better in this case right here. This is the only case where it is better. 411. I'm gonna see how fast I get these turbos out of the car. We're going for a world record here. Subframe is out. A nice little time check. 5:30, hour and 19 minutes. That's our wastegates. These things are shot. We're now at the step where the turbos are right there. Look at them. Look at that white stuff. And these wastegates are shot. They're not okay. And like when the car is on, it's just it's all you hear. And they're also just too small. That's a great reason to replace them anyway. Downpipes out. Subframe out. Exhaust out. Fucks to give out. Clean clothes out. Hour 40 into this job right now. 4 hours and 1 minute. It took us 4 hours and 1 minute. What time is it? 8:12?
Yep.
8:12. And we were filming, and I had to eat goldfish and not die of dehydration. But, bada boom, bada bang. Oh, VIV 19T turbo from eBay, $850 for the pair. So you get this along with the front one. There's a lot of controversy just because they're so cheap, literally a quarter of the price as a other pair of like upgraded twins from another company. Putting them to the test on the $1,500 335, $850 turbos just makes sense. So we're staying on a budget. So this right here is a 6466. This is like what most people run when they do a top mount single. This right here is about 3 inches of inlet. This is 2 inches and we got 2 of them. What I'm trying to say here is you can make 700 horsepower for 850 bucks, supposedly. 19Ts are fully mounted in there. They ain't going nowhere. So every single oil line, every single coolant line is ran. There's like 100,040,000 of them for N54. ARM was nice enough. ARM was nice enough to send us over a brand new 7-inch intercooler. Also, they went ahead and sent us over the relocated inlets for the car, so now they're gonna be on the passenger side, so we get more turbo noise. And they're bigger, look at that. That's what my turbo is gonna sound like. And then we got these nice silver aluminum outlets. So, I'm gonna be linking those products in the description. But now, it's time to throw all of our upgraded ARM shit into the car. Armed up. We don't have an intercooler. It's sitting right over there. But it's that time of the night where I don't give a fuck. I'm starting this motor. Oil is going in. Yes, the cheapest of the cheap, they had it AutoZone. For the cheapest of the cheap, 335. For the cheapest of the cheap, turbos. You like that?
There it is.
What's your over under? I hit this.
2%.
Oh, that ain't bad. You know,
Oh my god! Oh my god!
That's not that bad.
I have never in my life.
What? Yeah, a little bit of oil. What do you do? This is how you do these ones. You know, the quick transaction.
That was a good little splash.
Look, even he laughing.
He said, the final hoorah.
Here we go.
Time to rumble.
Let's see. eBay Turbo. Yeah, baby. Breathe it in. That's China. That's China right now. All right, real quick quick, just because they showed up right here, these new headlight bulbs. The headlight bulbs that are currently in the E90 right now, the passenger side one is blue, and the driver's side one is like completely burnt out, so it's really, really hard to see at night when I'm driving this. And to replace one of the OEM bulbs is like super expensive. So Last Fit went ahead and sent over some bulbs for the E90, and these things should be a whole lot brighter. These are fully LED. Now the only thing is these specific ones made for the xenon headlights are not plug and play. So it comes with this whole harness right here that you have to wire into the positive and negative on the headlight. I already went ahead and did it on this one, so the wiring kind of looks like so. I'm about to do it to the driver's side headlight right now, and we can see how bright they are. Bang! Just like that, we got the new headlight bulbs in. Hopefully when we turn this on, I'm not gonna have a blue headlight anymore and one that is like completely fried. Oh shit, should look like the sun. Good God. We've definitely fixed the issue of the passenger one being completely blue. That looks 1,000,000 times better. Look how bright that shit is. You can literally feel the heat from right here. Dude, I'm like seeing stars in my vision right now from looking at the headlights. If you guys wanna check out Last Fit, they were nice enough to send me out these headlight bulbs for the E90 build. Make sure to hit the link in the description if you wanna check them out. They got all kinds of bulbs that fit pretty much any car ever. Definitely a very bright option to go with, so I highly recommend. We're trying to make a sleeper, and the turbos are just as loud as a big turbo. We're not gonna be able to get away with this. Oh! Bro, it shoots massive flames. It shoots massive flames. Not one single light. This thing is 240,000 miles, and half of y'all can't do that. You're 335. Oh my God. 800 bucks get you this. It's not as loud as like a big top mount, but it's pretty fucking loud. And the burbles gotta go. I told Chris no burbles. Oh yeah. We're gonna need big tires back there. They sound great. Oh yeah. This thing is gonna ride when it has like 25 pounds. So we managed to not blow the car up on the old ChatGPT tune. So we're going with the Chris CD919, very well trusted tuner, and he just sent us over a tune right now so we can actually do some real pulls, get some data logging in, turn up the boost, and I'm definitely taking burbles off. Flashing that dude on right now. Got old Christopher's tune on here. Time to see what the old woo-ha whistle is talking about. There's just no traction. It made 16.6 pounds of boost though. 17 pounds right there. We need a drag pack immediately. Cause I can tell it's fast, we just have zero traction. That's how you do it. Oh my God. Well, we're gonna send that back to Chris and get more power. We got big smoke.
I take the twins off, but I don't install them.
Mm-hmm. Leave a couple things unplugged to keep it exciting. Nah, that's just normal smoke.
Yeah, it's just a built-in little fog machine or something.
What's that? Freak you fart? Well, overall, car runs good for its first drive and first revision. Send that back to Chris, and we're gonna get more power. And yes, we have discovered many oil leaks, but boost comes before maintenance.
Yep.
You take a look down here, we need more boost. We're on a budget with this build. We need this oil back. Oh, it's going right there. Is that my quirk?
A little bit of asphalt mills, a little bit of fob. That's at least $10, Shave.
All right, well, CD919 has sent us over revision number 2. I don't know how much boost,
Negative
but
7.
we are still on 93. But the ultimate goal with this car is to make a 700 horsepower sleeper. Check the engine light. You think I should put some gas in it?
Nah.
Yeah, misfire at low tank level. But I think we run out of gas every single video. Oh my God, it's low as shit on fuel. I'm about to blow this thing up. Oh my God.
You might not make it to the gas
There's no gas. Oh my God, we're really out of gas. So we're on the uphill. No.
You have to run this light.
Do I gotta run it?
I think so. Oh no, there's a cop right there. It's probably not do that.
Good thing our exhaust.
How would he notice us?
Good thing our exhaust is really quiet. Do I run it anyways with 12 right there?
I wouldn't do that if I was you.
You said do it. Nah. 12 is right there. Yeah, I was going 120 in a school zone, but I was out of gas.
Ain't nothing.
Turbo's
Straight to the kill switch.
Turbo's still spooling and we're off it. Just making sure it had it. Well, it should fix our issue. And we got gasoline getting on our tire, so we might catch on fire. I'm a rapper. We go to the gas station and Frank just runs in to get some snacks. It's Frank buying. I bet you it's snacks. Doing alright? Oh my. Oh, this thing's cooked. God damn it. I don't know. This thing sounds great. I highly advise you guys buy BMW at our place. Oh my God. Jesus Christ. Get that. The car's gonna die. Go. Come on. Come on, we're not far from the shop. Come on. The best part about this, if we get pulled over, this car isn't registered.
Allegedly.
Allegedly. For the insurance company who kicked me off my policy, allegedly. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about. Well, so the misfire can either be coming from the spark plug or the injector. I'm really hoping it's a spark plug. Oh, she's a little wet. Here's the old spark plug graveyard. Look at that. She still got the sleeve on her. I think this came out of my M3. See if that fixes that misfire. If it's a fuel injector, that puts us way out of budget for this build right here. It's a fuel injector. Our budget is done for. Injector, spark plug, and coil pack has been swapped out on cylinder 6. If it still misfires, we gotta whip out the old compression tester. We're back in action! Oh my God, bro, shit, we're back! We're back! There it is. 20, we hit it, 20.5 PSI. Oh. We're in the 20s. What's good with the trans? Let's talk about it. Make sure I take a really still shot. You got me?
Yeah, I got you.
20 again. Everyone up. It's 10 p.m. To give us a good comparison, big alternator under there. Are you on 20 or 24? 20 PSI on a big turbo, 20 PSI on 2 Wuhan whistlers. So we're gonna do a 40 roll or 60 roll to see who wins. See, like, you can't beat that. It's gonna take a lot more PSI on these twins to keep up with the big single. That's not a bad race. All right, we're gonna get one more run in with the 335. 1, 2, 3.
Solid runs, but
the second one was the best one for sure. Because you jumped out, and I was like here the whole time, but then the third one, There's no catching it.
G80.
Oh. Alright, well now, just for the shits and giggles, we're gonna try to race this guy. Makes a cool 700 horsepower. It's gonna look worse than the other one for sure. My whole car costs one car payment for the G80 though. Well, clearly we got gapped by everything, but ours is clearly one of the biggest budget out there. I guess we're gonna go port injection next, and then run those guys again, and it'll be a little bit closer. And then need some E85. Let me know what you guys wanna see with the budget 335. Oh, and this thing, OG, it's come back. Probably next video. How long have I been saying that for?
A lot of videos.
This thing was supposed to be running like a year ago, but fuck that thing.
I am the one, babe. I am the one for you.